Hello and welcome to Secret of the World of Miniatures. My name is Sven. Today we have a unboxing from a very cool company that will be maybe also in the future, like today, totally accompany myself and the channel for sending miniatures to me. I already showed you before the Minotaurus like miniature and also some others. It's from 3D Printing Heaven. Underneath the video is the link. And today I have miniatures that are a little bit related to the Imperial forces from Warhammer Fantasy. And I'm a little bit hyped because I love these miniature types that have more fantasy inside and cool looking armor and also animals and everything. So I'm hyped, and he already told me it's possible that some miniatures are maybe broken. I have glue, so I have no problem with this. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. And of course I will paint some of these. Of course. So good packaging as always. Okay, it's a little bit more stuff, but let us do it one by one. Or maybe there are also more inside it. We will see. I don't know anything about the miniatures. I know that the whole miniatures from the company he printed, also underneath this video, you can see everything, are very detailed and nice work also. But I have to be careful. I have to be careful. Oh, I see a wing. Oh, I see more wings. Oh, this looks cool. Oh, it's a tough painting job. This will be massive. Oh, come on. Whoa. Look at this. Ah, this is what you mean. Some parts are missing, but this is no problem. We can fix this, but right now I can show you this one. Come on, camera. Look at this beast of a miniature. This is a chimera. And a wolf head. Ears like vampire ears. The tail is more like from a phoenix, and also it's some cool parts and the details. Maybe you can see the rider on top. This looks great. And also a base is more like a diorama. Okay, we will fix the horns, and then the miniature is ready to go. So we will place it here. I will repair it after the total unboxing. Okay, this is just for safety reasons. Safety. Okay, what is this? Small. No weight at all. This is also for safety reasons? Or maybe. No, there's something inside. Oh, wait. This is cool. This miniature is on the knees and praying probably. Look at this. This is cool. Cool. And the sword above. And the miniatures from this race, the humans, are very small. If you compare it to different other races from the same company. Maybe some of you, you know this one. I painted it a few months ago. Oh, come on. So, I think I know who will win. Probably with a fight, but the whole design is cool. There's so much stuff. Thanks, man. Thanks for these cool miniatures. I can't wait to paint and also upload everything on Instagram and probably YouTube if I can show it to you all. Alright. This one is from the Night Elves and I have to build it by myself. This is great because I want to know how it is to build also these miniatures. Not only get it pre-built, build it by myself, but you can see a lot of stuff in it. It's from the Night Elves. So okay, this one will be built today in the next minutes after this, so that I can show you how it looks like. Oh, come on. A small miniature, I think. I love the big ones. You know why? You can work more for some parts that are normally so small. You can work out wood, you can work out leather parts. You can also do this by painting some marines or so. I can show you a new miniature I painted the last days. But I think bigger miniatures have so much more possibilities to get painted cool. This one have to be put here. I love these types. If these things, okay, these pillars that hold the miniature up in the air and simulate flying miniatures. I love it when these are not solid, we will see. But if you put it here, you have a very cool base, a tower, and this one, this Pegasus with a knight on top, and the knight also is very cool. Alright, this one is a queen laying on top, naked, on top of a horse. Great looking. I have to look whether I can pose her a little bit, not like it's to put her more down, like this. I have to glue it on better, but this is no problem. This is from so the whole race we'll call Mercia. Okay, Mercia is like the imperial forces, like empire. Okay, and this is Mercia. It's also a little bit like Britannia, I guess. But you see this one. This, I have to glue this on, but you see, it's a horse. Very good details here. Cool units. And I like this pose. This is so filled up with energy. Oh my god, this detail. Alright, this one is a sorcerer, and you see the magic. Oh, come on. You can see the magic the unit is using. It's going out of the hands in the ground, and you have also the force of the magic touching the ground. This looks so great. You see this? Whoa, I'm hyped, truly hyped to paint this. It will cost me a lot of effort, but if these miniatures are ready, and you put these miniatures on a shelf. I think it's more details like other miniatures. It's very cool. So the whole Fallen Kingdom stuff is, or Lost Kingdom, Fallen Kingdom. The link is down. Okay, something with Kingdom. It's the miniatures are great. I know that the Kickstarter starter was a success, and now I know why. But if you want to buy also from Printing Heaven, 3D Printing Heaven, if you want to buy also from him, the service is great, the packaging is great. You can also order that the miniatures will not pre-build, like you have to do this always, and can take care of every miniature by yourself. Everything will arrive in a good time, fast, good shape. So will be a good idea to buy this from him. And yeah, of course, I will paint some stuff. I have a lot of miniatures right now, and yeah, it's work, but it's nice work. We will see us next time. Goodbye. And of course, smash this like button and subscribe if you want. Okay.